These are the best Air Jordan 1s to release this year, and I'm gonna tell you guys right now, the price of these 3 Air Jordan 1s is gonna skyrocket. This pair of Air Jordan 1s had a lot of hype, a lot of demand. One of the most expensive Air Jordan 1s on the resale market that has released this entire year. The Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 Low. Giveaway update. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner for the Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 Low in my next YouTube video. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Join the More family. Hey, free sneaker giveaways. Join the More family. I give away a pair of hype sneakers every single month. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Join the More family for free sneaker giveaways. And good luck on the Travis Scott. Market has been steady at around $1,000 to $1,200 depending on size for the Travis Scott Reverse Mochas. I do see the price of these one day in the future definitely taking some time, but I do see them going up in price because of the brown. The brown is so hype, it's so in demand, and when the OG pair is going for like $2,000, it's crazy to see. So I definitely see these creeping up a little bit over time. It will take time, especially if the rumor is true that Travis Scott and the Jordan 1s are done after the next 2 releases. Hey, if it's true, I do see some prices definitely skyrocketing. We're supposed to be getting the black pair next month and then the olive pair next year. So make sure you guys be on the lookout for the Travis Scott Jordan 1s because apparently they're done. These have been one of the most hyped and talked about Jordan 1s of the entire year. And resale, hey, I'm pretty sure it's definitely up there for sure as one of the most expensive Air Jordan 1s that's released this entire year. Hey, it might be even the most expensive. Sneakerheads, Sole Premise bags are perfect for you to bring your sneakers, your clothes, your laptop, and a tons more. So make sure you guys check them out. They have the best bags, they're high quality, and they're the best bags, the best sneaker bags in the game. Sole Premise bags are 40% off when you use my link and code down below in the description. Sole Premise makes bags designed to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. This bag holds 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers. Sole Premise also makes a smaller bag that holds 1 to 2 pairs for daily use. They also make luggage bags, all different types of travel bags, and they even have new tees. They also have new shorts, tees, a bunch of merch. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise with my link down below in the description. Click the link and use my code DannyMoore at checkout for 40% off your entire order from Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. Make sure you guys check them out. Click the link down below. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love my Sole Premise bags. I use them every single day. This next pair of Air Jordan 1s, we've waited years for this sneaker to finally release. They finally dropped, and market is about retail, a little slightly over retail, which is crazy to see for this pair of Jordan 1s because I definitely see them taking time, but I think it's inevitable that these will skyrocket up in price. The Air Jordan 1 Taxi, yellow toe. If you guys take a look at the market of any Jordan 1 in this colorway, this color blocking, hey, they're gonna go up. Core purples, pine greens, bread toes, they're all crazy expensive. Guys, at the end of the day, I do believe that one day they will creep up to around $300, $350. It'll take some time, but I think it's inevitable for the taxis. These were definitely up there for one of the most hyped and anticipated Jordan 1s for the entire year, and then they released and really got slept on, so I'm not sure what's going on, but hey, don't sleep too hard because I definitely see the price going up, but this is a clean, wearable sneaker and may remind you, of course, of the shattered backboards. Quality on this is very nice. It's one of the best quality Jordan 1s we've gotten all year, that's for sure. You could sleep if you want to, but I definitely see them going one day up in price, skyrocketing up. People are gonna wear them. They're gonna realize, hey, this is a great colorway, a great color blocking. Jordan 1 High OG, it's everything we want in a Jordan 1. I definitely see the market going up. So don't sleep too hard now on the Taxi Air Jordan 1s. I think you're gonna regret it one day. This Air Jordan 1 is most likely Air Jordan 1 of the year for most of you. It might be even sneaker of the year for a lot of you as well. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know, is this Air Jordan 1 of the year? The Air Jordan 1, Lost and Found, Chicago, reimagined. I'm gonna tell you guys right now about these Air Jordan 1s. No matter what the market goes to on the lost and founds, in my opinion, they will be a good hold. No matter how low it goes, it will go up. The hype, the demand for the Chicago Air Jordan 1 throughout recent time has skyrocketed, especially with the Last Dance documentary. Prices of the 2015 pair are near $2,000, which is crazy. Over 500,000 pairs. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna do a full video very soon talking about the ugly truth behind the back door of the Air Jordan 1 lost and found. So make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned for that video. So when they release, market will drop more, people will get pairs in, they're gonna drop a little bit more. I do expect them to be a good hold nonetheless. Say market goes down to $350, I definitely see them skyrocketing up to $450. And I don't think it's gonna take too long on these either, but I definitely see them as time goes on, a few years from now, definitely to the moon they go. If Jordan Brand does not touch the Chicagos again for a long time, these will only go up, especially to the moon in price. I mean, hey, it's the Chicago Air Jordan 1 after all. It's the Jordan 1 that started it all, and we are getting crazy new details throughout this Air Jordan 1 with the cracked material, the aged look to them, the crazy story, the crazy packaging, the new Jordan 1 shape, cut. It's a great Air Jordan 1 nonetheless. The lost and found does have the aged bottom to it. When you wear these, this aged bottom is gonna get all dirty and it's not gonna have this nice aged look to it anymore. So if you guys wanna wear these still and keep that aged look, I highly recommend putting on Drip Grip Sole Protectors. I'm gonna apply Drip Grip Sole Protectors, the best sole protector on the market. No slips, no tears, multiple wears. To the bottom of my lost and found Air Jordan 1s. Wear the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. Click the link down below in the description. Check out dripgrip.com and use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. Everything you need is down below in the description. Do not sleep on the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. They're going to be a great release, a great hold, and it's just a great sneaker. So make sure you guys cop the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. Hey, they're awesome, and I think they're definitely gonna skyrocket no matter what the market goes to. These are the best Air Jordan 1s to release this year. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think these Air Jordan 1s are gonna skyrocket in price? Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you love free sneaker giveaways. Watch my next video for the free Reverse Mocha Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low giveaway winner, and make sure you guys join the More family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.